guys doing? Cigar Man back with another video. I'm gonna try to finish up these series as far as the Packard. I know I got at least like 2 more episodes that I need to film, but I'm heading over to my buddy Count's house right now. He actually has finished up pretty much the door panels. I think he said he got the front door panel completed, so I'm gonna go over there and finish recording that to wrap that episode up, and then we should have one more because I'm pretty sure he will wrap up the interior probably within a week, and we'll be done with the 39 Packard. So I can't wait to see it completed, guys. So I will see you guys probably in a couple of seconds, and once I get over to his place, I'll turn you guys back on. But actually, that stuff looked like it fit underneath the door channel and stuff a lot better too. It's so thin, you know.
Well, see, this is just my starters. All this is.
Yeah, just your.
But it gives me one bit. It was big enough to do a whole door panel without piecing it. And that's the reason why I used it.
That's gonna look good. You got your
guys. I didn't want to get copyrighted because there was, I believe, a Beyonce really popular song playing in the background. So I just played some music over top of this video.
So the only thing about this one is good compared to those old trucks. The daggone regulator ain't sticking out far, ain't sticking up, you know, it's just a flat piece. ShopCat.
Alright, now I'll take this apart. Now I'll take this piece, see? I don't know why we did this. See this? That's factory.
Yeah.
You must have had another piece of metal.
That's like that board is pretty strong too, though. I mean, it's real. Brace. Then you got that caprice regulator in there. You put in that for that door for the Packard. Oh, you already got your channel in there. You made your channel already, I see.
Yeah, I got my channel in. Anyway, I got my channel all in. I got all these in.
Well, I mean, it looks nice already. How you?
All I got to do now is just run myself a cable or wire down to here.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, because you got it going down. It really does. Yeah, it's not in the way or anything. It's not raised up.
No. It ain't in the way. It looks pretty dang on good. All I got is tape on it. Once I get it all sealed.
Oh yeah. See, my window channel actually had a screw here that you just tighten down on the window, on the bottom of that window.
Yeah, I know, it's nice. This ain't got that. I got silicone.
You got silicone?
Yeah, I made all of them at once.
That's smart.
So now, like I say, all I got to do is copy this piece, and then copy that piece. But
the trimming with the doors?
yeah, the inside trim.
Oh.
Top of them windows, there's nothing holding them. I got to slam them down doors out. I will crack one.
No, you don't want to do that. He got his doors open.
But you know what they did nothing.
Okay, this door is so heavy. It's like a tank.
But you know what I'm going to... one good thing about these window regulators I use on this one here.
Yeah.
Look out, they're nice. See, they in there good.
Oh yeah, it's flush.
And the way I built them, if I do bust it, I just got 2 bolts. I can take that piece of glass out of there in 5 minutes.
Now,
I'm not going to have poppers on the back ones, just locks.
Okay.
There'll be poppers on the 2 front ones and the very back one, but these 2 I don't need to worry. I'm not going to go through all that. And one reason why, because I couldn't get enough wires in there. You know what I mean? I didn't do it. I'm not going to run it.
No, Ryan probably on weighing about 160 pounds, and this door probably weighs more than him. Can you imagine a man that size lifting this door up 3-4 times by himself? He did both sides already. That's awesome, man. It's a beautiful truck. Heck, I don't know if to call this a truck or sedan. I mean, what you call it? Now, all these things these all came manual. All this now is electric. I mean, all electric. That's so cool. You're doing some cool stuff, man. I wish I could catch that, man. How you?
That's a cool look.
This is the back door piece. Man, ain't this something?
Oh, I mean, that's a lot of cuts in this. I mean, this thing is.
I spent one day just making the four-door, making the four-door things.
And you got to do this, how many, 2 more times?
No, I've got all 4 of them made.
And that's the piece for the panel that he made. I just want to show y'all how he makes those raised panels. I call them 3D panels. That's what they look like. They're 3D panels.
That's what they are.
Yeah, they 3D panels, man. That's what he uses there. See, but Ron, what a lot of people don't realize too, the reason why he makes this stuff so easy is because he's a freaking carpenter by trade. So that's why he knows how to do a lot of this stuff too. You know, he's a carpenter by trade, and that's what makes it look so easy. Just like, you know, those guys on TV make it look easy, and then when it's time for you to do it, you can't do it. All right, crew. I just want to let you guys know that actually I had to stop the video earlier, and I had to come back later on that day. But hey, he works so fast, man. This is basically the mock-up that I was showing you guys, as far as how he made his 3D panels, and he basically how he cut that wood and made his. That's going to be his door handle, which we're showing you, and then right across here I'll show you the finished panel.
Now look over there.
Whoa. Whoa, man, wait, let's open up the side over there. Wait a minute. John, you completely finished that side.
That one door is, like I say, I had the back door done and I screwed it up, but this door.
Wow. Look at that design. Man, look at this design right there. Wow. I get so excited. Oh my golly, man. What in the world? How did you, wait a minute. Now, how in the world did you do this design?
It's hard. It's very hard. That's the reason why the back door is screwed up.
Man, this is, people don't understand, this is all wrapped. I mean, it looks like it's sewed in there.
Oh, I know it.
It's all wrapped, guys. I mean, now just think, I just showed you guys that piece of wood over there on that side, and this wood.
Look how nice the door handle fit after I did all that.
He put the door handle, now you guys saw this door last week, how it was just a shell of a door. Now look at this. Now did you end up doing this one piece again?
Yeah, I did that all.
You did it one piece, right? Because you was going to do it 2 pieces, right?
I was. I changed my mind.
Wow.
Well, it started out as 2 pieces. Then I put the foam on it, and then it made it all one.
Can't even tell, man. That is a sick design, Ron. I love. Look how tight this is. Look how. Did you melt that in there? Or
No,
did you?
that's a very hard job. That's the reason why I had to redo the back door, because that's so hard to do.
Wow. Look at this. Look at that design there, guys. Oh, this is a piece of wood, and he wrapped it. Well, people don't realize that is not sewed. He wrapped everything. And
I started out, that piece that you see that's got the chrome on it, that's tan, I had that piece of metal and I painted it black, but I didn't like it.
No, that's the way to go right there.
Well, I thought the black would be the way to go, but it just kind of just blended in.
And he's going to have this design going all the way through. See, now this is how they do it. This is what you guys remember. Now, is that already hooked up to the battery? Is it your, does it roll down now?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, everything's down there.
Can you roll it? Can you roll it down for me?
I'll have to put all the power.
Oh no, don't worry about it. I don't want you to put the power on it. Look at this. This is a 1939 Packard with electric windows.
I like that. Ain't that cool?
Yes, that is cool. All right, so let me explain this to you, because Ron just pointed this out to me. Now I see exactly what's going on. So everything, this whole car flows. This whole car flows together. So basically, this design that he created, he made right here, right? Which that is so pretty, man. That is so nice. I mean, this is all wrapped, guys. All wrapped. So anyway, that design right there matches his louvers. That's right here. See that, how it flows? Ain't that something? I need to catch him whenever he does it so I can. Yep. Look at that. So this is He's finished with the bodyboard. He's finished with everything on all sides, guys. So this is the finished car I showed you guys. Now this is, it's hard to believe. This was the 39 Packard auction that when he got up at auction, guys. And I showed you guys step by step the transformation. All right.
Alright guys, we just left old Count's place. And I tell you what, man, that car is coming along so good. I'm going to just really finish up that little series on his door panels and stuff. That way we can go ahead and do one more episode, and that'll wrap up the 39 Packard, guys. But I hope you guys have been enjoying all the videos with the Packard. It's hard to believe that that vehicle came from the auction house, and I tell you what, it was in terrible shape. With all that work he's done to it, I know he's a proud man. I know I would be. So I'm glad you guys hung out with me today. Finish up that last video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully next week I'll be dropping another video. So hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That way we can continue making a lot more good content, like I always tell you guys. And share it. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way whenever I make a video, you guys will be the first ones to be notified that I got a new video out. So like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them.